Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Amex points for travel. So, basically you are going to head over your account of Amex, and for those who doesn't know what is Amex, it is the American Express card that you are going debit or credit card. It is going to be dependent on your demand. Right there, this is the let me show you here how the cards look. We have, or they have, a lot of cards. We have the platinum or the classic one. As you can see here, we have the gold, the blue, and etc. And these cards can be right there rewarding by getting the membership rewards points. So basically, you are going to head over the website, and you have already your login information like the ID and also the password. After you have got your card, you can go ahead and access the reward program. So you're going to head over the rewards and benefits, click on it. Here we have a mega menu popping off. So we are going to see the reward section. We have membership reward program. So you're going to apply to this program, and then you are going to view your dashboard. How you can go ahead and get the points. This is the first thing that I'm going to cover. Then I'm going to let you see how we can redeem them. So basically, each one of the cards, right there, as you can see, this is the menu of the cards, has a winning program. For example, for this gold card, you're going to see here that we can get up to 100% right there. You may be